Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a box and whisker plot in Excel. So let's begin. First, select data with headers. Go to Insert tab, Recommended Chart, All Chart, and now find Box and Whisker or directly click to this drop down menu and now see this box and whisker chart. Click here, click to this plus icon, element, data labels, axis and title, edit, change title name here, edit legend, and again see this quick layout, choose layout options, edit extra element, it is data labels, left right grid line, change color. Okay, and again edit, click on the search box, right click on your mouse, format data series, show inner point, outline point, mean marker, show mean line, inclusive median or exclusive median, gap wide 100% or sequence. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.